Hi everyone, this is Jacob over at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, the #1 Chevy dealership in Illinois. Today I'm in a beautiful 2018 Equinox Premier, fully decked out, loaded. And one of the features in the Premier is actually a bird's eye view camera. And I'm going to show you how to get to this. It does actually activate when you put the car in reverse, but the one thing is that you can actually view it when the car is not in reverse. So what I'm going to do is you got your home screen here. If you're not on the home screen, say you're on the radio, you just hit the home button. What I'm going to do then is I'm going to hit this arrow on the right, then you'll see the camera button. The camera button here, I click on it, and you can see a bird's eye view of this vehicle. So if you look, you can actually see the parking lines. If I were to put my window down, put my hand out, you can actually see that it is a legit camera. Underneath your rear view mirrors, there's one in the front and one in the rear as well. So you can see right next to your vehicle. What you can also do is you can change this camera here. This is your backup camera. Again, this activates when you're in reverse. But you can go through and change it to see behind you, and then you can go in to change it to see in front of you. Say we're pulling up to a parking block and we don't want to curb our bumper in the front. All you do is just pop on this camera. It just keeps you all safe. If you guys have any questions on this, any questions at all, please come out and see us over at Phillips Chevrolet. We'd be happy to take care of you, get you a new Equinox today. If you guys have any questions, my name is Jacob, and I'd be happy to take care of you as well. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you take care and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.